Mellow mama in the deli, she was a wetty, she was horny, ready, I was on it, heavy. She like, why you so sexy? She fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me.
Hey guys, it's Alpha coming from Silent DTD, those damn twins, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a beginner banner. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of YouTube videos were so helpful, so this is comprised of the knowledge that I got from some YouTube videos and my general knowledge of editing, graphics, stuff like that. So we're gonna start with the Phonto app today. So from the Phonto app, we're gonna click plain images. We're gonna click the white one, and we're gonna make it custom, and we're gonna do 2560 and 423. Gonna add this, and this is where you can go in and change the background, the color, but I'm gonna keep it white because that just goes with the theme of my YouTube channel. So from this point, we're gonna click use. We're gonna add our text. If your channel is for gaming, for beauty, for makeup, this is when you would add it. So for me personally, my channel is about lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. So we're gonna click center, and then we have our fonts. These are the two fonts that I downloaded off of thefont.com that I liked, but they have free fonts here. But like I said, thefont.com is free as well, and you can get better fonts there. So download and install it to Phonto, and you'll be good. So I'm gonna use Color of Autumn, and we're gonna put it right here. It's coming up white. We're gonna click style, and then we're gonna change the text. We're gonna change to pink, and then we're gonna click on stroke and make it black. Real cute, real simple. So from this point, we're gonna click the three lines at the bottom right here. We're gonna click add photo, sorry. And this photo, I'm sorry, y'all. This photo, I just made a transparent PNG using the Erase app. It's free and it's real simple. You can really do it online too, like on your laptop, but for purposes of making this on an iPhone, the Erase app is very helpful. So we're gonna click it, we're gonna click size, we're gonna edit it so that it fits the width and parameters of our banner. And for me, this works. We're going to click add item, use another photo, keep it symmetrical. We're going to click size, going to make sure it's big, able to see it. So now at this point, we're going to click add text, and we're going to put our YouTube channel here, the name of our YouTube channel here. Click font, change the font, center. So it came up pink, which is good. So we're going to click curve. We're going to make it curved and rounded. This is real cute. It's too round. This works. Sorry you guys can hear my laptop going off in the background. People texting the group chat. So at this point, I'm going to add another image. And this is like my little razzle dazzle touch. I got this. It was a regular photo of butterflies. I took it to the Erase app and made it a transparent PNG so it can go with the background of my theme. My sister loves butterflies, and I love pink, so really tied in together. So we're going to make this big enough, and I want it going through the words. That's it. We're going to click save, and it's ready to upload to YouTube. If you guys found this video helpful, comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see that advanced intro video, and thanks for watching.